Welcome to Getchee 8, where we present something actionable in 8 minutes or less. Today, you'll be learning why SNO is the new SEO for retailers and what smart retailers can do about it. Our presenter is Edward Ng, Business Development Manager at getchee. Edward Ng has over 10 years' experience in emerging market research and trends that focus on retail apparel and food industries in Asia.
So I'm here to talk about SNO and why it's the new SEO for retailers and what smart retailers can actually do about it. I'm going to talk about a few things. The first thing I'm going to talk about is understanding your retail networks. Then I'm going to get into why SNO is just as important as SEO. And finally, I'm going to talk about why retailers need to use this and what they can actually do about it. But before I get into these three main topics, I'd like to quickly talk about SEO. And now with the explosion of all these websites and online stores, has really come the need for SEO to make sure that companies and people that are making all these websites are getting in front of the viewers very quickly via something like a Google search. Now, although online strategies and SEO has really blown up over the years, we shouldn't forget about physical stores. They actually never went away. It's not like the internet replaced physical stores. Actually, people are still shopping. They're traveling all over the place to look around at products. They're looking at one store, they're looking at another store, looking at their phone, they're looking at websites at home. So a physical store strategy is still important to really make sure that they're still driving customers to the store and they're actually buying stuff in store. Now this can be connected with things like social networks and online strategies as well. It's not one or the other, it's actually both. So the first topic I mentioned is really understanding your retail network. And what I mean by this is really taking all this data that's out there these days, big data, sales data, competitor data, market data, which is demographic data and customer data, and really getting this stuff on a map and visualizing it on a map so you see what's going on and it's not just stuck in some spreadsheet or a database. And there's a lot of tools out there these days. There's a lot of companies that provide these services to getting this data and analyzing it on a map. There's ESRI, there's Tableau, there's Buxton, there's things like Kiwi. All these tools and services and solutions really help retailers understand what's going on in the market. So why is SNO, store network optimization, just as important as SEO, search engine optimization? Well, SNO, just like SEO, is a long-term tactic, it's a long-term strategy. It's not just a one-off project you finish and you put away. And it's really about being in the right place at the right time. Just like online, offline, you want to make sure that you're in the right place so that the customers can find you very quickly and find the products and services they went to you for. And it's really about increasing productivity of your store, just like your online store. You want to make sure that when people get to your store, they find your products and services very quickly and they get out of your store and they're not messing around, searching for things online and then leave your store. So what should retailers do about it? You should actually map out your customers and competitors to see what's going on in a certain market or a certain area in a city or a country. And then once you've done that, you can really figure out your market holding capacity or your market potential. Basically, you're a piece of the pie. There's a lot of other competitors out there that are getting other pieces of the pie. So you need to be realistic about how many customers you can get in a certain area, a certain city, or a certain country. Then once you've done that, you can really pinpoint or examine high potential areas to open up or relocate stores to. So you actually get more bang for your buck in this area or target market. You also want to scrutinize and really take a look at very carefully the areas that are cannibalized or even highlight the cannibalization. You might not even see that in the first place. So you really want to bring that to light and figure out how many competitors there are in this area and what they're doing that's affecting your business. There might not even be enough target customers there, so that might be a bad area for you. So you might want to get out of that area and move to those high potential areas so you get more bang for your buck in the market. And this is what really SNO is about, store network optimization, is really getting the most out of your dollar in a market from all the stores that you're looking to set up.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the information in this presentation, please feel free to contact Edward Ng. Stay tuned for more Getchee 8 presentations at blog.getchee.com.